So 3 days ago, I made a video talking about the fact that 3 Chinese foldable phone manufacturers are actually leaving the foldable phone industry. They're pulling out, they're done with it, just isn't really logical for them, especially because they create budget type foldable devices, and also the market that they sell in just simply aren't interested in budget type foldables. So they're leaving, right? And this now sparks a question, which actually AndroidCentral.com went ahead and answered. So, shout out to AndroidCentral.com and Brady Snyder for posting this. I will leave a link down below in the description to the article, as always. But the concept is, what happens if Oppo or Oneplus drops out of the market as well? Right? 2 companies under the same umbrella. The OnePlus Open is just a rebrand of the Oppo, Find N, Fold, whatever, right? What if they drop out? And Android Central, again, put a good point here. We'll be right back at square one, right? Where competition is going to be lackluster. Obviously, at this moment in time, Samsung is going to kind of go back up to the top dog. Yes, Google is still going to be there, but in sense, it's kind of like how Microsoft was, where, yeah, they were there, but they weren't, better than Samsung at the moment. Although I will tell you right now, I love the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, but I think Samsung still edges over them at this moment in time. We'll be right back where we were, where there's not going to be much competition. And now that with 3 smaller budget type, companies dropping out of the fold here, pun intended, if Oppo and OnePlus did it, I don't know how many other companies would join. And it might low-key be the death of the industry when it comes to competition. Because Samsung's not going to stop, right? Samsung's going to continue to make foldable devices until the cows come home. 1000%. Same thing with Google. They're going to start probably making flippable phones as well. And they're going to keep doing it until the cows come home. But when you already have 2 competitors in the industry, again, Samsung's the one who are manufacturing these foldable, flexible displays. Things get a little shaky, right? And again, at this moment in time, right now reports are Oppo and OnePlus will not be leaving the industry. They will be continuing to make their phones. And obviously having an international market, all being under one umbrella corporation with Vivo, Oppo, and OnePlus. I believe it's called BK Entertainment. So like it's a what's called parent company, and then you have the sister companies underneath. As long as they don't leave, everything's good. But it definitely will spark a lot of talk, especially when we get into 2025, because 2025, even more companies are expected to leave this industry, and I wonder how much worse it's going to get. Right? That's kind of just my mentality here and my ideas. But at this moment in time, we should be good. Hopefully. But as long as Vivo, Oppo, and OnePlus are selling stuff, we should be decent. Again, it looks like we're never ever going to get a budget type foldable device. But, fold, not flip. We're going to get budget flips, but not folds. It is what it is, Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one.